So we are at the JW Marriott in Indianapolis. Wonder who that is. I got Windy City Elevators with me. Ooh, new key card readers. Want to do the honors? It's open. Here we go. Wow, these things are so fun. I'm starting to have ear popping now.
33rd floor.
Wow. These things fly, for sure.
That's all they want. And my advice would be to stay and enjoy the day and go home honey.
I don't know where you're going. Sorry.
All right.
Sorry.
We stand for
I'll come
together.
over.
We've had COVID and we've had our shots, so hopefully we're not giving you anything you don't want.
No, you're not. Don't worry. My God, these things are fast.
We are really fast. He's recording it.
Yeah, we just like elevators.
Oh,
Yeah, years will pop mine do.
y'all here watch a ball game or just video elevators?
Yeah. Here.
Oh, I
You
think
guys
we're
can
gonna
go.
stay on the elevator.
Thank you.
Well, what do you want to do now? Okay, then off to low rise. No one on these. Is that one even running? I don't even know. I think that one's out of service. It's gonna be this one, I think. Yep. That one just rang. That's this one.
You know, this does somehow bring it like down.
It's not even opening either. We'll let them go, because why not? There we go. Let's see. Wow, they're completely open.
Yeah.
If you're wondering, I think these go at like 800 feet per minute. I think high rise goes at 11. Oh yeah, look at that view out there. Now that's cool. Thought we may have just shut him on someone. This one's making a few weird noises. Get a pic there. There we go.
First floor. Going up.
What'd you think of that? Well, there goes the end. That'll do it. Hey, I wonder who these guys are. It's Riley and Jay.
Yes. Here we go. Here in Indy. And normally these are key cards. Key cards, but they are not.
Yeah, that's a bonus.
Okay, and send after 33.
Here we go.
Oh, by the way, one of the low-rise ones, there is definitely something squeaky on it.
Jesus, these things are quick.
Oh, wow. I honestly have a suspicion that these are the same speed as the low-rise.
These go 1100.
They feel similar. This is something that I didn't think Kone could do.
33rd
And now my ears are popping like crazy.
Is there a good view out here?
There is, yeah.
Okay.
Just right out here.
Going
Here, I
down.
got it for you.
Thank you.
I don't know. See what's the river?
Zoo.
Yeah, the zoo is over there.
Yeah, there's the that's Fairfield, Courtyard, Spring Hill.
There's the State Museum over there.
What's in there?
They used to have Dover Impulse, but they got modded.
Oh, I mean what's in the museum.
Oh, the museum. Just like exhibits. I mean, I haven't been there since like 2016, so.
I'm not gonna lie. What is this, Prestige, right?
That is Prestige, I think.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
love Prestige so much.
And I got this one.
Hopefully nobody's in here.
You're right.
Nope.
This place is deserted today.
It
You know
is.
what? Take it down to 2, and then we can switch to the low rise.
All right.
We'll do it. I can do a separate video for those. These things are pretty.
Watch how fast the indicator changes.
Yes. With the speed of lightning. Yeah, get ready for a lot more really stupid remarks the rest of this night. Okay.
I mean, I haven't stayed here since like 2013.
Oh, they renovated. Did you notice that?
I saw it. The rooms are much different.
Yeah, no, that.
And new key card readers.
Yeah, no, that.
They're much better than the original ones. The original ones can be finicky.
Okay.
All right,
Here, let me get it for you.
And watch it close. Sometimes the indicators just light up randomly on the outside.
They sometimes do.
And that's it.
Third floor. Going down. First floor. Going up.
Money? Which one are you going to?
We're going 32.
Second floor. Going up. Third floor. Going down.
Yeah, the view up here is epic. It's dark out though. The sun is just about done setting. Yeah, it's a cool view at night especially. Yeah, I just love this place so much. These things are insane. These things are insane. They're so smooth, you can barely feel them moving. And my ears are popping like crazy. Gosh, these things are insane, epic. These are insane. There it goes. That'll be it.